Hi class, so today we'll be learning about maps. We're going to be learning about maps of our city, of our state, of our country, and of our world. So first, I'm going to show you a map of Riverside, which is our city. And here when you zoom in, you can see little neighborhoods such as Arlington. You can see Fairmount Park, which is another community. You can see Magnolia, which is another community and neighborhood. And then a neighborhood is an area that forms a community within a town or a city. And a city, which would be Riverside, is a place where people live, and it's larger than a town, but smaller than a county. This is a map of our state, which is California. On a map of the state, you can find big cities or landmarks. You can see the city of Sacramento, which is our capital. You can see San Francisco. You can see Los Angeles, which is one of the bigger cities in California. You can see Long Beach, and the star right here represents Riverside. This is a map of our country. Our country is the United States of America. When you zoom into our map, you can see that each little unit is a state. You can see that's us right there, California. We're on the way west of the country. And this is a map of our world. So you can see the United States right here. You can see other countries such as Brazil, Australia, China, and each country is a different color so that it's easy to recognize on the map. You can see our oceans, such as the Pacific Ocean right over here, the Atlantic Ocean over here, and the Indian Ocean right over there. Okay. And now we will read Me on the Map. Can you guys all see?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Me on the Map by Joan Sweeney, illustrated by Annette Cable. And that is our character. Me on the Map by Joan Sweeney. This is me. This is our character. This is me in my room. This is a map of my room. This is me on the map of my room. Can you see? This is my house. This is a map of my house. This is my room on the map of my house. This is my street. This is a map of my street. This is my house on the map of the street. And right here you see her street, it's Oak Street. This is my town. This is a map of my town. This is my street on the map of my town. This is my state. This is a map of my state. This is my town on the map of my state. This is my country, the United States of America. This is a map of my country. This is my state on the map of my country. This is my world. It is called Earth. It looks like a giant ball. If you can unroll the world and make it flat, it will look something like this map of the world. This is my country on the map of the world. So here's how I find my special place on the map. First, I look at the map of the world and find my country. Then I look at the map of my country and find my state. Then I look at the map of my state and find my town. Then I look at the map of my town and find my street. And on my street, I find my house. And in my house, I find my room. And in my room, I find me. Just think. In rooms and houses on streets, in towns and countries all over the world, everybody has his or her own special place on the map. Just like me. Just like me on the map. The end. So, now, can you guys tell me any places that you would find on a map of our town in Riverside?
A hospital.
A hospital. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Anywhere else?
Park.
A park. Okay, a park.
McDonald's.
Oopsies.
We have someone raising their hand.
Okay, 1 second. Yes, Alex?
Can I use the restroom?
Go ahead. McDonald's. Anywhere else?
Let's see.
The mall.
The mall. These are all really good answers. So these are all places that we can find on our map of Riverside. If we look, we could see there's California Baptist University, which is a school. And then we have the mall right over there. McDonald's will be over here somewhere. There's McDonald's over there.
Oh, Kaiser.
And Kaiser would be our hospital. So those are all really good answers, everybody. Thank you. Okay. And so now I will show you guys our Me on the Map flip book. This will be your title page of the book. The next page will be your house. So if you have seen, I've drawn an example of my house. After you guys have colored and drawn your house, go ahead and cut it on the black line right there. The next page will be your neighborhood. So you can draw all the streets that are in your neighborhood. If there is a park or a school by your neighborhood, you can go ahead and draw it. And after you're done coloring and drawing, go ahead and cut it on the black line. You will do the same for your town. So for our town, we'll write Riverside. And then you can draw the outline of Riverside. And you can include things such as like the orange trees or your school. Here's my state. You can draw the outline of California. Make sure you label it. You can draw the Pacific Ocean right there. And then just go ahead and cut it on the black line once more. And this will be, here's my country page. You're going to draw the outline of our country. You can draw the oceans that go on the sides of the country. And you're going to cut it on the black line. And for the world, you can write Earth, and you can draw a big blue circle like they did in the book with all the green for the lands. And then you can go ahead and cut it on the black line once you have done coloring and drawing. Okay, class, so you're dismissed to your tables and chairs. Thank you.